think there should be a video about this on YouTube. I'd be proud of myself if you searched coughing on purpose during presentations on YouTube and I was up on the top 5 videos. Basically, I noticed a trend of a bunch of TED Talks, a bunch of presentations of just audience members coughing on purpose. I don't know what their deal is. They're waiting for someone to make a video about it. They're waiting for a presenter, actually, to say at the beginning of their presentation, um, if you could all refrain from coughing on purpose during this presentation, that would be appreciated because nobody said it and literally happens every single presentation I hear. People from the audience are coughing on purpose, and or they're waiting for someone at the end of their presentation to say, "I appreciate everyone who hasn't coughed on purpose during my presentation." Uh, and someone needs to address the trend, and I'm doing it. Yep. Half of the presentations I'm watching, I can't listen to it, and then the focus of the presenter is being put off kilter because um, somewhat there, it, all the mental processes involved in why is this person coughing on purpose during my presentation. Dude's worked for a long time to finalize this presentation, and there's someone in the audience who's uh, succumbing to the bullshit and who is ruining this guy's presentation because they want to do something.